This is not your average shoe haul. I never work with shoe brands, as most of you know, because of my wide penguin feet. I have super wide feet that don't fit comfortably in shoes, so if I can't try it on, I don't buy it. But I only chose to work with this brand because 1, they are made from stretch material and may fit, and 2, they're a true sustainable brand, and I love supporting ethically made items. I took the gamble, but it was definitely worth it. If you like what you see, I also have a discount code at the end of the video, so definitely stick around. So Cosy Island shoes are way different than your average shoe now that I've tried them on and worn them myself multiple times. And that is because of the elastic fabric they are made from, so they can fit almost any foot, including my wide penguin feet. I read their website and they say that they strive to make this island a true utopia for your feet, which I find so cute and funny, and one that takes care of both you and the planet, which I live for. So let's talk sustainability real quick while looking at these shoes, and then I will talk about my own review on. So the yarn is spun from recycled plastic, which we have so much plastic on this planet, so we need to recycle as much as possible. And the insole is made from natural latex, and they are working with other brands to start a shoe recycling program, which is super exciting. Now let's talk shoes. They have a lot of options, especially for pointed toed shoes, but don't worry, they have square toe, which is the only ones I chose since I have wide feet. When reading about their materials, they use elastic yarn and advanced 3D knit technology into the shoes, which I definitely noticed when I was walking around because I could see the material expand every time I took a step, which made me excited because if I don't expand, or if the shoe doesn't expand to my foot, they will be smushed. And I tried taking a video, but I couldn't get a good angle of it. You just have to believe me on this one, but I swear to you, they literally expanded so much to my foot. And now let's describe the way they look. So I bought 2 of the same shoe, as you can tell, and I really love the style because I'm really into short boots, but with a heel. And the problem is, a lot of time when I wear heeled boots, the heel is too high and my foot hurts. Whatever size heel this is, I think it's like a 2.5, maybe 3, perfect heel type because my foot was not in pain by the end of the day. Putting the shoes on and off, super simple. I cut my thumb, so it was a little hard to put on and off, but because it expands, you literally just slide your foot in, which is like super nice. And I really wanted both a light and a dark version of these shoes so I can match them with a lot of outfits. And I love the little tie thing on the side just for like that extra detail, and kind of like the leather in the back when you see it when I turn around. It's so simple, but like I feel like I look so sophisticated when So for foot pain and tightness, perfect, because they expand, your foot isn't smushed, so they're not uncomfortable. Including the bottom, there's actually cushioning on the bottom, and I know a lot of their shoes actually have arch support too if you have flat feet, so it's like really helpful. This brand is literally pinpointing all the pain points for shoes, which I've noticed when it comes to expanding, comfort, like hard soles, heel size. It all really affects your foot, and they are taking in consideration of everything because they are so comfortable. So with these boots specifically, they come with an extra warm option, which I would suggest getting. I got the normal ones, but I noticed when I was wearing them outside, because it's the middle of February, the wind kind of went right through them, so my foot was really cold. So I would suggest getting the extra warm option. Other than that, they are literally perfect. I also wanted to buy myself a little heel because I find these super cute for summer. The cool thing about these is that on their website, they actually suggested you go up a size if you have wide feet, which I kind of did, and my foot, I feel like it fits perfect, or it might be like a smidge too small because my foot is technically on the edge. But again, I have really wide feet, so my foot's probably being pushed up more. But other than that, perfect. These also have comfort in them on the sole part, and obviously, as you can tell, the material is the same. It stretches to you, and there's an elastic on the back so it can expand to you. And I noticed too that the little like strap things on top are actually adjustable. I noticed they were too big, and as I was filming this, and then realized you can take them apart and they're just adjustable, so that's perfect. Sadly, I didn't get to actually wear these outside because it's freezing out, but I'm sure they're just as comfortable as the boots. I give this brand literally a 10 out of 10. I have no foot pain, And the thing with my feet is that my toes shove under each other because it's so tight, my shoes usually. These, no pain, and I wore them for a 9-hour shift at my job, and they were just perfect. It's so nice to have to choose between style and comfort, which is something I struggled a lot with when buying shoes. This brand is the best I've ever tried. Even if you don't have wide feet, their shoes are just pretty and comfortable. So if you liked what I said, I have a discount code for you. You can get 10% off with my discount code if you like these shoes or any of the other ones on their website. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!